Hello. Today I'm going to be doing some altered playing cards. You know, like the deck of cards. And I figured I'd bring you along with me. These are the two that I had done previously. And I figured I'd show you how to do them. It's just one of the versions I do. I really like. Anyways, let's get started. I have the playing cards. I have some dictionary pages. They're vintage. You can see they're already aged. And I have a sewing pattern. It came out of this pattern. The sun is coming through my window, so you're going to get that one shadow that's there. Sorry about that. But I'm going to use this. So let's get started. First thing I do is I get the card and a piece of the dictionary page. Let's just hold the card here so I can get the basic idea. Rip. I just make it just a little bit smaller than the card. That's what I'm doing now. I'm just tearing the edges of it so you can... Okay, and now I take the rusty hinge. I really like it because it shows through the next, when I do the next step. I'm just going all around the whole edge. This is really brittle paper because it's a so old dictionary, it's vintage. But I just like the way the look. Okay, so that's, I'm gonna glue it just like that with the letters showing a little bit. Alright, that's the first step. The next step is to get a piece of the sewing pattern paper. I'm going to rip a big piece off here so I don't have to have this huge piece in front of me. Okay, I got this piece I'm getting ready to use. Put glue all over the whole card, around the edges really, really well. That way it doesn't come up too much. I kind of crinkle it a little bit too. I like that look. Press down so it gets on there really well. That's that step. Excuse me. Now I'm just going to cut all the excess off. All right. Doesn't that look nice? Oh, it's upside down. Just like that. Oh, I still got a little bit more here to cut off. All right, now you're going to take your next ink. I'm going to use this one and go all the way around the edge. I get it pretty good around there. That's that. And now I have a bunch of printables that I did, and then I had already distressed and inked them. I'll show you them. I have a bunch of these. So I'm going to pick one of these and put it in the middle, which will probably be... I'm going to go with this one. Let me put it... Get the glue. That's that. All right. I have my crocodiles. I'm going to put an eyelet on the top of it in case it can be dangled in the journal. So first let's put the hole on the top. All right, I think I'm going to choose a green eyelet. Yeah, I think I like the green with it. Nope, it needs to be a different color, I think. I don't think that goes too well. I don't really like it too much. Let me see if I have one closer to that color. I don't think I do, so I guess I'm going to have to use it. Why don't I use orange? I'll use an orange one. Yeah, there we go. I can't see down there, so I have to bring it up here. There we go. So now I'm just cranking the eyelet. And there we go. That's one that I have done. Let me know what you think in the comments, please. I'll be making a few more and probably be recording some more for you too. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel, please, if you like it, because I will be uploading more. Have a good day.